Hey guys, just wanted to do a little bit of a shop update and let you know about a couple of woodturning symposiums that are coming up that I'm going to be going to this year. And I got a couple of stickers that I've been putting off. I got a collection here, so we'll do at the end a little sticker montage, putting some stickers up. All right, so the first one is the Utah Woodturning Symposium. It's happening next week, actually. That one's coming up really quick. It's May 10th through 12th. So if you're in the Salt Lake area, it's in Orem, Utah, just south of Salt Lake. If you're in that area, you can head over. Definitely go and check it out. It should be pretty fun. I've heard that Utah does a really good symposium. There's lots of good classes, vendors, all that kind of good stuff. And I'm just going to kind of hang out, learn some stuff, and meet people. So if you're in the area, definitely head over to the symposium. And definitely if you're there, come up and say hi if you want. I'm going to meet people, basically. So have a good time. Now, the next one is the AAW, the big symposium. It's happening in Portland, Oregon this year. And it's going to be June, let me check my notes, 14 through 17. So I'm heading up there. Carl Jacobson's going to be there. I don't know, tons and tons of people are going to that one. It's the big AAW, the American Association of Woodturners Symposium. So that one's a big one. Lots of people go to it. So it should be pretty fun, and it's kind of in the neighborhood. So I thought I'd just drive up there and check it out. So if you're going to be in the Portland area, June 14 through 17, come check out that symposium. And if you're there, definitely come up and say hi. All right, and the last one is the SWAT Symposium. So that's happening in Waco, Texas, August 24th through 27th. I'm going to be actually hanging out at the Turntex booth, doing some casting demo. We're going to be doing Dunkin' Junk here and there and hanging out, meeting people, and just hanging out with Curtis Seebeck over at Turntex. So that one is going to be jam-packed full of people. There are tons of people going to that one. So you got Chad Schimmel going, Fred Wisson, you got Donnie Carter's going, Yak Branson, OJ from OJ Woodworking Crafts, and I don't know, a ton more. I think Scott Grove is going. So that one is going to be pretty much, if you have to pick one symposium, I'm pretty sure SWAT is going to be the one that you want to pick because it's going to be nuts. And it's just a really good symposium. They got really good talent there. The vendor area is really big and really bring your wallet type thing. And it's just fun. Everybody that puts it on, you know, they make you feel at home, and it is just a good symposium. So we got 3 of them coming up this year that I'm going to be at. Like I said, the first one's coming up next week in Utah. I think that's about it. Those were the 3 that I wanted to make sure that I hit up this year. So I hope that if anybody is going to any of these things, like I said, definitely come up, say hi. That's kind of the point, is I'm just getting out there, meeting people, having fun. So hope you guys can make it. Now, let's do some stickers. So I got quite a few here. Not that many, but I got a mold, a couple molds from Jared over at Lizard Blanks. And he sent some stickers out, so thank you, Jared. We got a Lizard Blanks sticker going up on the pressure pot. And I also ordered, I ordered the teardrop and the shear cut thing from the Arizona Carbide, and I got a sticker from them, so thank you, Ron. That'll be going up on the pressure pot. And we got Chad from Mancrafting, and I'm super excited. He sent out a magnet as one of them and a sticker, so thanks, Chad, for sending these out. And Joe Pierce Maker, thank you for sending this out. I owe you a sticker. Still haven't gotten that in the mail yet. I am horrible at sending stickers. Sorry about that. And last but not least, Harold from HF Bowern Designs. And I still haven't gotten your sticker out either. Like I said, I am horrible at getting those out, but I will get those in the mail soon. So we'll do a little bit of a sticker montage, putting some stickers on the pressure pots. Again, let's see, before I go, there's going to be all the information for all of those symposiums down in the show notes, and I probably put something on the screen here when I was editing, but if you need to refer to something, it'll be down in the show notes. So hope to see you guys out at the symposiums this year.